side? No, I was just pulling away.
Oh, you were?
Yeah. Pretty good deal.
Yeah.
So what do they charge for this and just kind of walk in? A head?
Yeah.
And then 40 bucks for the photos?
Yeah. Buy 40, 35 or whatever.
How blue that water is.
I know, isn't it fabulous?
He sure is.
About 500 feet up.
Go big or go home, is that what they say?
What?
Shit.
What?
We're really doing this.
Yeah.
Hey Marley, he's still there and his pants aren't wet.